Okay, today we're going to talk about how to add an author to an Excel document. So right here we have our Excel document open. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to go to the File tab right here at the top in the corner. Click on it. It opens to the back and we have several columns of information. Right here we want to make sure it's on Info. If we look over here in the far right-hand column, we look down to find related people. Right here's the author. So you're going to click where it says add an author. We're going to click right there and we're going to put somebody's name. And so it shows up with my name on there. Now, if I decide I don't want my name out there in the public, I can right click. And then in this menu that pops up, I can hit remove person. And that takes it away. Instead, I can write a routing code number or anything like that, and it'll put that in there. And it's just that easy. Once you stick the information in there, just click away from it somewhere and it will stick into that space. And that is how you put an author into an Excel document.